Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be putting this little gadget to the test on blinds. I have used these in the past and they did not work for me, but I wanted to give it a go again and see if anything's changed with these, and I feel that they have. This feels like microfiber. It's very, very soft on both sides. So both sides has the same, I want to call these like little fingers, to where they will go over your blinds with the individual strands of your blinds. So let's see how this actually works on these blinds behind me. And there is 3 sets of blinds in this condo. I am going to be timing myself to see how much quicker that I can get the blinds dusted with this little gadget, and let you know at the end of the video what I think about this little gadget, if it's worth you buying or if it's just a waste of money. Stay tuned. All right, here's the moment we've been waiting for. This blind duster claims it can clean multiple slats at the same time, which sounds like a huge time saver. If you've ever dusted blinds one slat at a time, then you know how long that can take. I've cleaned a lot of blinds over the years as a professional cleaner, so today I'm not just looking to see if this tool removes dust. I want to know if it actually saves me time and if it's something I'd reach for on a regular cleaning day. I've got my timer going, so let's see what happens. Right away, I can tell it's grabbing several slats at once, which is definitely different from using a regular microfiber cloth or a Swiffer duster. The real question is whether it's actually collecting the dust or just pushing it around. Sometimes cleaning gadgets look impressive in the advertisement, but once you start using them in a real home, they don't always perform the way you'd expect. That's why I like testing products myself instead of just reading the claims on the package. So far, I'm noticing that the tool works best when I move slowly instead of rushing. If I try to go too fast, it doesn't seem to stay lined up with every slat. Taking a steady pace gives the microfiber sleeve more contact with each blind, and that's where it really has a chance to pick up the dust. One thing I always pay attention to when I'm testing a cleaning tool is comfort. If something saves me a minute but leaves my hands sore, that's not really an upgrade. This handle feels pretty comfortable to hold and is easy enough to guide across the blinds without putting a lot of strain on my wrist. That's definitely something I appreciate because cleaning blinds can get repetitive. We're making pretty good progress. Now I'm starting to look closer at the results. Are the blinds actually cleaner? Do I still see dust hiding in the corners? Would I have to go back over them a second time? Those are the kind of things that separate a good cleaning tool from one that's just a gimmick. I've also noticed that getting into the very ends of the blinds takes a little extra attention. That's pretty common with most blind cleaning tools. No matter what you use, those edges usually need a little more work. So still cleaning multiple slats at once definitely feels faster than wiping each one individually. Now comes the most important part of this test. I'm going to take a close look at these blinds because speed doesn't matter if they aren't really actually clean. Sometimes a product can finish the job quickly, but if I have to still grab a microfiber cloth afterwards, then it really isn't saving me any time. From what I'm seeing, this tool definitely removed a good amount of dust. Would I say it's perfect? No cleaning tool is, but that's not really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for something that makes my job easier, saves me time, and gives me results I'm happy with. So, is this blind duster worth buying? As a professional cleaner, I think it really comes down to how often you clean your blinds. If you dust them on a regular basis and you're looking for something that speeds up the process, I can definitely see why people like this tool. If your blinds haven't been cleaned in years and they're still covered in heavy grime, you're probably still going to need a deeper cleaning. Overall, I think this is one of those gadgets that has a place in the right cleaning routine, but it's not a miracle worker. Okay, so what did I think about this little gadget that I got that is super soft and it feels like microfiber. Well, I tell you, it's a good little gadget if you are just dusting your blinds, and it can be fairly quick if you just get the hang of it. You do have to make sure that the blinds are completely open, so you can actually grab, the blind to go over. But I would say if you want to do a maintenance clean on your blinds, this is definitely worth the buy. I believe it was like $5 and I got 4 of them. I will be using these. If your blinds are super dirty, this may not work. Just keep that in mind if you are looking to purchase these. I do believe that they have changed their material that's on these. Super, super helpful if you are looking for a maintenance clean. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, give it a like. It lets me know you want to see more videos like this. Let me know in the comment, what do you use to dust your blinds? Have you ever tried these? Let me know that as well. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. That lets me know as well that you are interested in videos like this. As always, have a great day. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.